What is up, Lowheat fam? Today we have a little something different for you. Today we do not have sneakers, but instead we have a wristwatch. Yes, before you click away, let me know if you like me mixing it up like this with some apparel pieces rather than just sneakers, or are you just here for sneakers? Only do that. So this is just a trial run. Thought I'd mix it up a bit. I was gonna just open this and wear it, but I'm like, you know what? Maybe some people who watch this channel might like this, or maybe this draws some new people to the channel who are watch aficionados or want to know about this watch, and then they like, oh, this Duke guy unboxes and reviews shoes too. Maybe I will follow him. So welcome new people, welcome old people. Appreciate it. Drop me a subscribe because it's really easy to do. You just click. Thank you. So let's get into this. What do we got here? We have a Seiko 5 beige dial, beige canvas men's watch. The retail price on this piece is 195 bucks. That is not how much I paid. It was on sale on timepiece.com for under 100 bucks. It was I think a Chinese New Year sale. And I don't think these typically, though, go for retail. You can find them there. A lot of places have these listed for less than that, around the price that I paid. So I got a really good deal, I think, on this piece. Let's open the box, see what we got inside. What's in the box? Why is it focusing on? It's focusing on the shoes. I need to focus on this. There we go. All right. I apologize if it goes in and out of focus. We'll do our best. We'll do our best. Okay, so Seiko is a Japanese watch manufacturer brand, very well known in the watch community. Oh, all right, I gotta shut up for a second. Let's take this in. So there we go. That is a nice, clean looking watch. That's very nice, very nice. It's smaller. I don't just have giant hands. It is a smaller wristwatch. 30 some millimeters. It's not a huge face. Anyways, I was turned on to this watch by a very famous watch YouTuber, Teddy Baldazar. He's one of the more prominent YouTubers who reviews and does watch videos. Check him out. I'll link the video that I found this in down below. This was he featured this watch in one of his more popular videos. I think it was from 2018. Like 15 watches around 100 bucks, his like favorites, or some of his favorites for around 100 bucks. And so that's where I first saw this, and he was wearing it in the video and showed it off, and I was like, whoa, that is a sick, clean watch, and only 100 bucks. Definitely wanted that, because, you know, I like sneakers, but I also like to, you know, dress nice. I'm a fancy boy, and watches can be expensive. So if you're going to go deep in watches, you want to put your money, spend correctly, save up, spend correctly on a really nice piece. And if you don't have that money, you only have like 100 bucks. What should you get? And this one looked sick. This looked dope. All right, so I forgot to actually give the full model number of this, so I'm going to stick this in the video right here. This is the Seiko, a Seiko 5 800 series. I think it's 803, SNK803. Seiko 5 SNK803. It's the Seiko 5 800 series is very popular. And I want to mention too that Seiko has it's a big brand of watch manufacturer, but they have much more expensive models in their line and different versions of Grand Seikos, etc. So this is their more affordable line of watch. So I'll just stick that in there, and now back to the rest of the video. So this is, yes, made by Seiko, Japanese watch manufacturer. It's got a beige canvas wristband, and I chose this beige face, and you can see the hands on the clock there. If you focus, it's also cream colored. It's like cream on cream. The one he had in his video, the hands were a little they were blue or turquoise, or what was it, like pistachio color. That was sick. I wish the hands popped a little more, stood out, were a different color, but I still like it. Let's put this on. Let's put this on here for you. It's got, I really like it because it's got obviously the date there, and I like dial wristwatches. Sometimes obviously a digital thing gives you the time right away. There's no figuring it out. But let's put this on. Oh, here's the back. I almost forgot to see. I'm new to watch videos. So there's the back. Shows the inner workings, which is dope. Let's get this made in China sticker off. But Seiko's been around forever. I think they started, I looked it up before I started this video, in the late 1800s. So they've been around a while. Big watch manufacturer. Again, I don't know anything about watches really, but would like to check out Teddy's videos. He has a lot of great videos, give you some knowledge. Ignore my unmanicured hands. I don't lotion often. Maybe I should more. It's just something I don't do. I don't do manual labor as it is. I don't need my hands to be softer. All right, got to get back into weightlifting. Put some calluses on these baby bottom hands. This is hard to do over the top of a phone. Apologize, maybe I'll cut this out. All right, I just did a little edit there to cut to this being on, so you didn't have to suffer through that. So that's how it looks on the hand. I think that looks really clean. I got to set the time here. I will in a bit, but I mean, let me know what you guys think about this watch. I think it's great. So I do have the shoes here because some of you viewers might be here typically for sneaker reviews. So what would you wear with a watch like this? This is kind of an everyday casual watch. Maybe not every day because it is unique looking. It's not super generic, but this is a regular wear watch, I would say. What goes with it? Well, obviously, I think some Tims. These are some like Earthkeeper Tims from like 10 years ago that I've beat to crap. I think those go well. That's a good choice. If you're a basic boy and you have the J. Crew kill shots, I think you can't go wrong with that, right? I think because this is a canvas band, you know, any sort of canvas shoe like these all white skate highs, Van skate highs, great option. You can match colors. I'm sure there's a beige skate high, but I like the all whites. They eventually turn beige with wear. This off-white, if you're a little bit more of a hype beast boy, you can go with a Comme des Garçons, Converse Chucks, highs or lows. I think even if you got the black ones, I think those would be fine, but I think the off-white cream go really nice with this watch. If you're a true hype beast, you know, the Union Jordan 4 Trail Desert Moss, I think that goes real nice. And then if you're like, you know, a little bit of a gatekeeper, a little bit of an OG head, a little bit of a hype beast with taste, you could go with a vintage pair of Dunks. These are from like the early 2000s, the brown, Baroque brown Dunk highs. I think these are also a fine option. So that's what I would wear. And then for footwear with this, now you're asking, but what would I wear on top? Well, a variety of jackets or things would go well. I think first a, you know, jean jacket. This is not Yeezy Gap. This is just basic boy Gap. Jean jacket goes well with this, you know. I think that's one option. I think another option would be a beige hoodie. I got one of my favorite hoodies ever here. It's the Kith Pendleton collab hoodie. I think that, you know, you can't go wrong with. That's a great watch to wear with this. And then finally, let's see here. I just picked this up. I was almost going to do this as like an unboxing video, but I just thought this wouldn't draw any views. So here I'm going to feature it in this video. This is a piece from Kith's latest spring-summer collection. This button-up jacket, canvas jacket. I think this thing is fire. It's lightweight, great for LA. I think this watch and this jacket, perfect combo. Maybe you want it to contrast a little bit more. This might be a little too matchy for some people, but I think that works. So I just picked out some things in my closet really quick that I think would go with this watch. Let me know what you think about, should I do more non-sneaker videos? Do you like this watch video? That'd be an expensive habit to pick up, but I really do like a good watch. I am not a huge watch collector, but for $100, how can you not have this one in your collection? That's great. That's a fire watch if I do say so myself. All right. Subscribe, let me know what you think, and I'll have more low heat videos. Oh yeah, if you're kind of not a big sneaker person, you're here because of the watch, I will be unboxing a pair of Chelsea boot Doc Martens. These are Tim's. I don't know why I held this up, but I will be unboxing a pair of Chelsea boot Doc Martens with vegan leather shortly. So subscribe if you want to see that. Mixing it up a little bit from sneakers. So that will be coming very shortly. Thanks for watching.